Hi, I'm Karsten with Bale enjoying a beautiful fall day here at the Minnesota State Fairgrounds. And I'm here to show you guys, we have a little display set up to show what a 6-week greenhouse can look like in the fall of the year. Now we've got some bales set up underneath it for fall decor, and I know a horticulturist should never do this, but we mocked up some vines because we had to move this after the growing season. These are real squash, however, that I cut off the roof at my garden at home and brought them here for this display. Some butternut squash and acorn squash and other things, and some examples of other things that you can plant in a straw bale garden. So I would encourage you at home, if you're looking for a cool fall decor, you can get this all set up. It looks really nice. Your neighbors will love it. It's very attractive. In the winter, of course, these bales are going to get snowed on and rained on. That's not a problem. That won't affect them at all. You can leave them right out in your garden where you're going to use them in the spring, and they'll be just fine. They don't really start the conditioning process in earnest until you add the nitrogen in the springtime. So when spring comes, of course, you're going to get your bales ready. You're going to put your plastic back over top of your 6-week greenhouse. And you can get plans for how to build the 6-week greenhouse over on our website at balegardening.com. It costs less than $100. You're going to cover it with polyethylene film. The bales are going to be the heat that generates the heat inside the greenhouse. So you can do all your seed starting in there. When early summer comes along, you can pull the cover off of the greenhouse and then plant the tomatoes and cucumbers and squash that will climb up over top of the trellis, and you'll have a beautiful garden all summer long. And in the fall, it will look just like this, except it'll be the real thing in your own backyard at home. The bales do start to crunch down a little bit in the fall. They don't look nice and bright and shiny like these do here. But remember, this is a beautiful display here at the Minnesota State Fair for our fall food parade at the State Fair. So thank you for joining us. Remember to visit our website, balegardening.com, to get all this information for free, because we want you to be a successful straw bale gardener.